Little did Pot-Beast know his life was about to change forever.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, those are nice fireworks.
Yeah, those are some neat. That's pretty cool. Whoa! Wow.
Yes, there were some interesting colors. Yeah, I want to go check it out for myself. Wow.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
Yeah, I'm gonna go look.
Yeah, whoa. Hey, I don't think you should probably go over there. That looks a little dangerous.
I'm gonna light it myself.
Yes, we are going to experiment with it. Oh! Oh, man! Oh, this is not good.
I'm falling.
Gentlemen, we can rebuild him. We have the technology. We have the capability. Better than he was before. Better. Stronger.